Well, I've got a little surprise for you.
You got the extender?
Well, an extension. Put a little undercarriage wash. Look in there. There's dirt in there. Good thing I didn't just run it and hook it up, so I gotta push that through. That's why I always I got a little cap I put over top of this when I store it. On that little tiny bit of dirt. Get in there because those jets are so fine. One of these caps. Vacuum cap. I can get way underneath on the Jeeps. As long as don't break. What's up, Minitruck? Time for a bath. That was a hell of a ride, man. You did really good. Really good. What the heck is that? Spider? Oh, it's a spider.
Oh.
I got something to talk to you about. Going to Florida the end of this week. And I can't take you with me. No, don't be sad. You'll be alright. You got company. Dumpy, he don't seem to care. Well, actually maybe you don't have company. Doesn't bother him. Right? You care if I go to Florida? Care if you're going? You don't care. I'll make it up to you. I'll bring you back a souvenir. How's that? I knew that'd cheer you up. I wish I could take you with me. That's a long ride pulling on that little trailer. Maybe next time you can go. How's that? What do you mean? It does kind of flex a lot with this plastic hose. All clean. You want a bath? No? You dirty boy. Alright. I don't feel like doing it anyway. Also bought some corrosion block after the recommendations of a few viewers. I haven't tried it yet, but did get some really good reviews online. I'll do that when I do my electrical connections on everything. And spray the battery. Exhaust studs, bearing shafts, bushings.
Oh my!
Wow, everything. Hinges, pulleys.
Oh my!
Huh. I gotta fix that valve cover. It smells. Yeah, they're pretty close, but this might have a little more power. Smell that valve cover though. Oh yeah. Gotta fix that. I'm gonna call Minnie. What's up, Minitruck? How you doing up there? Dumpy bothering you? We've been having a good time down here. Here's a few videos of stuff that we've been doing. See if I can make it two-wheel drive. Yep, two-wheel drive. Far off we can get on this. in a cave. There's another cave over here. Check that out. Pretty cool, huh? And back up.
And you just get everybody's crumbs. Look at that pig.
What? Well, come on over if you want something.
Hey, that's a hat. It's not food. Where the water is. That's the baby.
That's a younger.
Yeah, this thing definitely goes.
Hey, Mr. Bunny Rabbit.
What's up, Doc?
I saw a deer, and now it's gone. Wasn't that big of a deer. This cool little village. Almost looks like that village that was in Popeye, the movie. Right? Right on the water. Try to get the power plant here. The one in Homosassa. Oh look, it's over the curvature of the water. The earth is flat, isn't it? Wow. Oops, that's really zoomed. Holy cow. You can actually see over the curvature of the earth. Hold down the fort. We'll be back in about a week. Yeah, miss you too. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.